In this video, we are going to look at the triangle inequality theorem. So before we get started, I have one triangle that has a side length of 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it has 3 different sides, and those are its dimensions. And then I have another triangle. Notice my blue, pink, and purple triangle has the dimensions of 2, 2, and 4. Looking at this, do you think that both of these triangles will be complete? I'm going to say one will be a full triangle and one will not. Let's take a look at the results. So if you see the results, notice the first triangle, when used the same dimensions, whoops, I got to get this a little bit smaller. If you have a 3, 4, 5 triangle, this matches up. I took the same dimensions from this example. But if I have a side length of 2 and 2 and a side length of 4, notice that it doesn't match up. This is because of the triangle inequality theorem. I'm going to write this down. So I'm going to be specific. So we're talking about triangles. And then the word inequality means it's not going to be equal to. And now we're bringing in a new word here. The word theorem is like a generally accepted rule in math. Notice in math, nothing can be totally actual factual, but we call this a rule. So what this says is side 1 plus side 2. So the sum of side 1 and side 2 must be greater than side 3. So when looking at this example, let's say orange represented our first side. Let's say yellow represented our second, and green represented our third. So if we were to take 3 plus 4, notice that sum is 7, and that is greater than 5. So this is true. Now it also says that if we have side 1 plus side 3, that's going to be greater than side 2. Basically, the sum of any two sides must be greater than the remaining side. So let's check it. 3 plus 5 is greater than 8. Oh, wait, so sorry, not greater than 8. It's greater than 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. Also true. And then the last go around, side 1 plus side, side 2 plus side 3 must be greater than side 1. So again, when we rearrange, okay, side 2 was 4, side 3 was 5, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is greater than 3. This checks out. Now, if we're looking at our other triangle, well, it's not quite a triangle because we have this disconnect right here. But this other shape, I'm going to erase our example and see if it checks out. And I don't think it's going to. Uh-oh, I erased some letters. So let's check. Side 1 plus side 2. Let's say blue represents our 1, pink is going to represent our 2, and purple is going to represent our 3. So if I have 2, additionally, I'm just going to fill in my blues so we can see it. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now, if I have 2 plus 2, that's equal 4. Is 4 greater than 4? No. So notice that it must be greater than. So because these are equal, this does not create a triangle. So I want you to pay attention to this does not create a triangle. It's not a triangle. A triangle must follow the inequality theorem, which is one side plus another side is greater than the third side or the remaining side. Okay, you guys, I know this is kind of complicated, It's some tough stuff that you're going to get more into in high school, but I just wanted to give you a preview of it. Have a great rest of your day.